Welcome to our newest listing at 122 Rose Arch, Irvine, California, located in the beautiful Cypress Village. This condo was just built in 2014, so it still feels pretty new. It also features an open floor plan and has no steps throughout the entire unit. This house has custom plantation shutters and even a remote-controlled blind system for your privacy. This kitchen features white cabinetries, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and even custom backsplash. It also has the luxury of extra storage. It has these gorgeous glass cabinets for all of your treasures and dinnerware. This house also has a connected one-car garage with plenty of extra cabinets for lots of storage. It also has an extra carport. The primary suite features large windows to let in plenty of natural light. It also features custom built-in cabinets for extra storage. There's also plenty of extra storage with custom cabinets in both the primary closet and bathroom. This house is just a short walk to both a top-rated elementary school and middle school. It's also super close to the gorgeous community pool that also features a spa, barbecue area, picnic area, and playground. I hope you enjoyed this home tour. This home is not going to last long, so if you're interested, be sure to contact us today.